So we talked this morning before our morning meeting, before daybreak, about how I had a dream this morning that it was fall and I was going to put on the fall sweater. I was going to get the pumpkin spice latte. I was going to lean in, and I woke up and it was only September. But it does kind of feel like fall, which is maybe why I had the dream in the first place.
Yeah, okay, so our temperatures have actually dropped since you had the dream this morning into the 60s. It's because of the rain, it's because of the cloud cover, and I think that Sunday morning you'll be able to wear that sweater, Mark.
I can't wait.
Mid 60s for those of you that weren't paying attention today. But hey, let's go ahead and get you ready for the rest of the day today, because we're still dealing with some of this rain, and that in turn is going to help keep us cool for much of the day. Right now we're seeing very light scattered rain across Dallas and Tarrant County, but I am already seeing some drying out for portions of Tarrant County. There will be parts of the area that will dry out a lot faster. I'm going to zoom out and show you a little bit more of Wise County. Wise County, one of the locations from this morning that has been seeing the rain a bit more consistently and a bit higher in intensity. So you might be dealing with some ponding on some areas, so just be careful there. Denton, Collin County also seeing some widespread light rain in the area. Zooming out even more, we can see that rain less consistent south, especially southeast of DFW, and that'll be the trend throughout the rest of the day. I'm going to show you how this is going to evolve. Wednesday between noon and about 3 in the afternoon, you'll see a lot of this activity taper down. I'm expecting coverage to lower throughout the afternoon, closer to about a 20% between noon and about 5, and then even less after that. We may even see a few breaks in the clouds, and if that happens early enough, our temperatures are going to climb a little more, but if it doesn't, well, they'll stay pretty low, and I'll show you that in a moment. But as far as how much more rain we could pick up, anywhere between a trace to a 1/10 of an inch between today and tomorrow, because tomorrow we still have the opportunity to see rain, although most of us will be completely dry. Right now, our temperatures are all over the place. Upper 60s for Dallas-Fort Worth, but a few locations southeast in the 80s where we have already dried out. 82 degrees for Corsicana. Compare that to the 67 in Decatur, where it has been raining a bit more consistently. That's why temperatures are going to be all over the place this afternoon. A lot of locations staying in the 70s, especially along our western counties. Low 80s for DFW. Some spots may even make it into the upper 80s for our southeastern counties. Again, it just depends on where the stuff dries up faster, and a lot of this is just really scattered. But I am expecting the drying out this afternoon. Right now, DBU, you can see some of that rain coming down. Again, it's very light, and you can see it when you're looking across the darker contrast there of the trees. Otherwise, it's just cloudy out there. Today, the rain. Tomorrow it tapers off. Friday it'll be dry, but Friday our next front moves in, and as this front sinks down, this light color signifies dry air. This green color signifies the humid air. I'm not expecting rain with this front, but it will arrive sometime Friday afternoon and evening, and that dry air is then going to filter in on Saturday and on Sunday, and it's going to bring in the cool, crisp air for Sunday morning. Temperatures are going to drop into the mid 60s. In fact, 64 degrees for Sunday morning. The afternoons will still be warm and sunny in the upper 80s, but the lower humidity will make it feel more comfortable. Your 14-day forecast showing temperature of 80 degrees today. I've dropped that number because of that rain. 90 degrees on Thursday, low 90s Friday, the upper 80s over the weekend with a few morning lows in the mid 60s. And then next week, we're looking at dry conditions, upper 80s, low 90s. We'll be back.